Painting bikes does not just include bike frames, it also includes various bike parts. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I paint this handlebar that's for my current paint project. So far, I have sanded down the old paint to remove it, and I have laid down a 2K epoxy primer to get a good primer base to spray my paint on. I have sanded it very flat and nice so that I get good adhesion, and now I'm ready to lay down my base paint. The color and paint I will use is this automotive paint, and it's a Snapper Rock blue metallic from BMW. It matches my frame perfectly, so it's gonna look great. I have reduced it, I have mixed it, so it's ready to spray, and I'm gonna spray it with this pistol grip airbrush. It's a 0.8 millimeter tip on it, so it's kind of big, but it still gives me great control when I'm spraying, so this is gonna be perfect for this use. I have degreased it and I'm ready to go. Okay, the paint is laid down beautifully. It's got great coverage and it looks really nice. So I'm now gonna lay down some 2K clear coat with this spray gun. So let's go mix up some clear coat and get sprayed. The handlebars turned out absolutely great. The Snapper Rock metallic blue is absolutely gorgeous, and yeah, they're gonna match my bike frame perfect. So if you haven't seen me paint the bike, you should definitely check out this video right over here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next DIY bike project. Cheers.